Today we'll solve how to solve a simple equations. There are different methods to solve simple equations, student. Just I want to share one small balance. Do you see the balance, student? Did you see the balance in a gold shop and or
Ma'am,
else
we
in
can see the pain.
vegetable markets?
Ma'am, we
What,
can't
ma'am?
see, ma'am.
Balance.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
we
we
can't.
can see a balance. Yes, ma'am, we can see a balance.
Yes. How it looks like?
Ma'am,
These are
ma'am, they have like different weight of rocks and they measure.
okay. Any other things about balance?
Ma'am, actually they keep the amount of they like the vegetables and fruits on one side, ma'am, and the stone on another side,
Okay.
ma'am. So if we need 1 kg, so they keep a 1 kg stone on one side, and they keep an amount of vegetables and fruits, ma'am. Ma'am, so if it's more than the 1 kg, like they remove like one by one, two, and when it comes to medium, like both are equal, then they will give the fruits and vegetables to us.
Very good, very good. Yes, children, why we are using this part? Why we are using simple balance?
And to know that the weight is
Ma'am, so that we can know the weight.
take weight of vegetables,
Ma'am, mainly,
fruits. Until there will be a weight machine like a.
Ma'am, I think like to, ma'am, like to, which is more weighted, ma'am.
This correct.
ma'am, to balance two objects.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, very good, very good. Let me explain the part, children, so that you can understand. So on the pictures, what you are seeing, there are different balances are there. Balance when it balances, children, both the sides. So suppose left hand side part and right hand side part. In first picture, you see there are apples in both sides, pomegranates and apples. Both are balanced, so that it is balanced means it is the same position. Coming to the one, two, three, fourth picture on the first row, fourth picture, is it balanced, children? No, it is not balanced. Why? Because the weight of left side part is more than right side part. If you want to balance, what you're supposed to keep, you have to either put the weight on the right side, some part, you have to add some part. So you are going to balance your things. How to balance this is, you just remember this picture in your mind. You can easily solve the sums, children. Let me explain the part. Simple balance. There are solving a linear equations or solving simple equations. Solving, today's concept is solving simple equations. Simple equations. Simple can be written as linear also, children. Linear equations. Linear means power of variable should be 1. Solving simple equations. So there are different methods to solve a simple equations. Just now I said for you the balance is the best example for you to remember the part. Suppose I'm keeping 5 kgs on left side. Suppose I'm keeping x plus 5 kgs on left side, and the right side I'm keeping 10 kgs. At what value of x should be balanced this simple balance, children? You observe, if I put instead of x 5 kgs, 5 plus 5 is 10, then only this should be balanced. How you are getting the value of x here 5? By seeing, you know that this is a very small numbers, that natural numbers you can identify very easily. Yes. Just a minute. I'll just a minute, Harini. I'll unmute. Just a minute. So how you're supposed to think here? Of course, this is natural numbers, ma'am. Right side, obviously 10 kgs. You are unknown number variable. Yeah, I don't know, but you are adding 5 to variable, so it makes 10 kgs. Obviously, it is x value also 5 here. Then only the equation should be balanced. X is the 5 is the solution for the equation. You can say very happily. Suppose the same thing. What I supposed to add instead of just a minute, Nana. instead of okay, instead of x plus 5 is nothing but x plus 5 is nothing but I'm keeping here 15 minus 15. What I supposed to do in this case to balance both? To balance both, what I supposed to do? What value I supposed to keep? You have to think. This is again integer concept, children. Even we are using fractional concept, we are decimal concepts, we are integer concept. Everything should be involved in your simple equations. How to solve a simple equations? We have different methods, children. Let me give a privacy to the student is raising. She can share her views here. How we supposed to balance? Where is the girl Harini? Yes, Harini.
Ma'am, so what I did was x plus minus 15 equals to equals to ma'am x plus um ma'am yeah x plus 5 equals to minus 15. So ma'am, what you do is you take 5 on the right side and you do the opposite sign. So you do minus 15 um
Yeah, very good, very good. That
minus
means you are telling about transposition of the number. Very good. That means,
yes.
madam, you have plus positive 5 here. Then you're supposed to transpose to other side. It becomes minus 15. The x value is minus 15 minus 5. It's nothing but minus 20. This is one way. Before going to that, how to solve simple equations? My children are very small because they are going to 8th grade. They can do in different methods also. They can make up a very very fast solution for the equations. There are different, what is happening is very important, children. When you are doing a balancing, what is happening in this is very important. We can add, we can add we can add we can add same quantities on both sides. Same quantities, we can add same quantities on both sides. Quantities on both sides. If you add 5 kgs here, there 5 kgs, what happens, children? There is no change at by adding same quantities on both sides. You can balance the equation. You can find the solution for the equation. This is first thing. Suppose, let me give one example here how it is happening. Suppose your x minus 6 is 12. So I'm going to add here. What is this? What I said, children? Add the same quantities on both sides. I'm adding here minus 6. I'm adding here plus 6 on both sides. So that what happens here? What happens? This minus 6 and plus 6 becomes 0. This is nothing but 18. X value, variable value is nothing but 18. This is the first thing, children. Anyway, if when you're going to higher classes, we can go with the transpose method. What is transpose? What you are doing in the transpose? You are adding the same quantities on both sides, or you are subtracting both the quantities on same sides, and you can multiply. Even you can divide the same quantities on both sides. How it will happen, we will take with one example, children. Second part, in first condition, I'm adding the same quantities on both sides so that I can get the value of x value as 18. We can take away same quantities from both sides too. We can take away, we can take away, we can take away same quantities on both sides. We can take away same quantities on both sides. So that you can solve your simple equation. Suppose, let me go with one example here. Example, x plus 12, x plus 12 is 32. X plus 12 is 32. Here I can subtract, what number I supposed to subtract on both sides? Whatever the number extra here you are seeing, x beside, opposite, I need to subtract 12 from the 12 from both the sides, so that what happens here, children? This minus 12 and plus 12 get cancelled. and x is nothing but 32 minus 12. Its value is 20. Its value is 20. This is a second thing. But generally, teachers won't say. They just say about your transpose. You can transpose opposite sign. You keep, and if plus become minus, minus become plus. Your multiplication become division. Division becomes multiplication. But a child never questions why we can do like that. But inwardly what we are doing, the same thing we are doing, children. This is the thing we are doing. This is the thing we are doing. We can add the same quantities on both the sides of an equation. We can take away same quantities on both sides of an equation, or you can multiply. We'll go with the multiplication part now, how it happens. We can multiply one example, so that I'm taking, children, you can understand. But anyway, at the end we'll go with again a simple technique with what is a transpose. You are calling always a transpose. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. The same thing. But the children may not question, because their what teacher is giving, they will listen and they can understand. But it is happening. Innerly, it is happening. We are taking away the quantities. We are adding the same quantities of the both sides. We are multiplying same quantities on both sides. We are dividing. We'll go with the multiplication now. We can multiply. We can multiply. We can multiply both sides. Both sides. We can multiply both sides of an equation. Just a minute, Raghav, I'll unmute. Both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number. This is very, very important. By the same non-zero number should be non-zero. It should not be zero. If it should be zero, what happens? Zero multiplied with any number becomes zero. We can multiply both sides of equation by the same non-zero quantity. Same non-zero quantity. Just a minute, Nana. I'll unmute. Non-zero quantity. Just a second, children. There is a hand raising from Raghav. We can ask Raghav. Raghav, are you able to? Raghav? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I am able to. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so my doubt is that you gave an example that.
Raghav.
Ma'am, I can't see a word. Yes, ma'am. You gave an example that x minus 6 plus x minus 6 is equal to 12. So as it is minus 6, we should add 6 to that. And in the second example, you gave that x plus 12 is equal to 32. So as it is plus sign, we should subtract, right? X
Exactly. Wonderful. You're catching the logic. You're observing the logic. That is why in transposition what happens. But teacher won't say everything. But teacher is generally telling about only if plus become minus, minus become plus. Wait, Jait, wait. I'll unmute. Just a minute. This is happening like that, they are telling, but inwardly this is the thing happening. Absolutely right, Raghav. What your observation is wonderful. Good.
Okay, ma'am. I just wanted to confirm that.
Right. Just Raghav and Jait have a little doubt. Let me unmute Jait so that he can. Yeah. One by one, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I do not understand.
No need of understanding. Just you observe the things what happening. Observe the things. A little later I'll tell very easy technique.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jait, I unmuted. Please speak with me, Jait. Jait?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. What's your doubt, Nana?
Yes, ma'am. I have a doubt in the rule can multiply. Ma'am, what is that?
We can multiply both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. If we have the plus, when we get the answer, we should keep the plus beside that answer. So if we we should subtract with the
simple logic, Jay. Simple logic. Suppose here minus 6 is there. Minus 6 additive inverse is what, Nana? Additive inverse
is 6, ma'am.
Plus 6. Just you have to add to the right part plus 6.
Yes, ma'am. If multiplication is there, multiplication symbol is there, it will go to the answer beside, division will come.
Exactly.
If division is there,
Exactly.
the
Yeah,
multiplication will
exactly.
go
We'll
beside
go with
that.
example. We'll go with example
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that you can understand more better.
Ma'am, I practiced that day, that's why I got it.
Very good. Good. And we'll go with an example.
Ma'am,
small
that's it.
example.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll go with a small example. You just observe the things what happening here, children. That is more important. Your observation is more important. X by 5 is equal to minus 3. X by 5 is equal to minus 3. If I want to find out the value of variable, I can multiply the both sides with 5, children. I want to multiply with both sides with 5. Why I should multiply both sides with 5? If it I multiplied with both sides 5, I can cancel up this 5 here. What is left over? X is equal to minus 15. X is equal to minus 15. Only the thing you have to check, Nana. What is the thing you have to check? Denominator, how much you are having here. Denominator, how much you are having here. You have to remove that. You have to remove that. If you want to remove that, means what you should do, you should multiply with 5 so that you both will be cancelled and you're getting x value as minus 15. That's why my teacher is saying x by 5. If it is 5, this 5, if you send other side, it should become multiplication. Why? Because 5 is under division. If you transpose to other side, it becomes division. This is happening. This is happening. Just observe the things. We will go with a general sense also. No need to worry here. Multiplying both sides with 5. Here what we are doing, children? Multiplying both sides with 5, so that you are multiplying both sides with 5. Both sides with 5. Next, the last one. We can what is the, we are adding, subtracting, multiplying, and we can divide both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. If 0 happens, if you want to multiply with a 0 something, any number, what happens, Nana? 0 only. That's why it is written as non-zero number. That's why it is written as non-zero numbers. The same way in division 2. In division 2, any number divided with a 0 is not defined, so that we can solve a simple equation by we can divide both the sides of an equation by the same non-zero number. Now my example is here. 6x is equal to 313. 318, children. My example is here. I should divide. What I should do, children? Here I should do division. What number I should do? Which is extra over here? X 6. So I should divide with 6, so that what you have to divide, since you are dividing both sides with 6. So here 6 get cancelled, only x value you can divide, Nana. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18. So x is 53. This is happening. But in general case, now we are not going to take anything. Suppose in examination, the question comes like that. Just a minute, children. Shiva Pranav, let me unmute. Shiva Pranav is raising hand.
Ma'am, I didn't understood. You can explain again, ma'am. Just now I joined.
Shiva Pranav.
Ma'am.
Shiva Pranav, please.
Ma'am.
Pranav, please tell me. I'm waiting.
Hello,
I'm waiting for your query. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I didn't understood this problem, ma'am.
Don't no worries here. I am not going to say. Just I am giving a clues now. We will see how it is applicable now. Okay, just what is the thing you can remember? If you want to find out solve a simple equations, we can add both the sides with the same quantity. We can subtract with both the sides with the same quantity, or you can multiply with the non-zero, same quantity of non-zero number. Same way you can divide. That is only 4 points you're supposed to remember. But everything I'll help you. This is only basic part. I'll help you. I'll help you. Don't worry. You just observe the thing, what is happening. We'll go with the same part, how teacher will explain in the classroom. They won't bother about whether what is happening here. Yeah. See the first question. What is the first question I'm taking here? X minus 6 is 12. X minus, generally I'm taking children, x minus 6 is 12. By seeing only you can answer children. Additive inverse of minus 6 is plus 6. You just add up plus 6 on right side, you are getting your answer as. Or else, if minus should be transpose other side, minus become plus. So 12 plus 6 is, 12 plus 6 is 18. This is the way you are finding. This is the way you are finding, general sense. But what is happening? What is happening? You are adding both sides a 6, so that you are getting x as 18. That is happening in the inner. But they won't. We are just writing as a transposition. Next one. Second bit you see children. What is the second bit we are taking here? X minus 6 is 12. Second bit is x plus 12 is 32. X plus 12 is 32. X plus 12 is 32. So this minus 12, if you transpose to other side, it becomes negative. So x is equal to 32 minus 12. So it's nothing but 20. This is the way you are finding. But what is that means? I'm just now I helped the thing. You are doing adding, you are subtracting both sides minus 12, so that you are getting x value as 20. The same way, then another equation, x by 5 is minus 3. X by 5 is minus 3. This you can do in both methods, children. You can do cross multiplication, or 5 is under division. If left side 5 is under division. Under division means it is divided. 5 is divided. If you transpose the division becomes a multiplication, so that x is equal to minus 3 into 5. It becomes x is equal to minus 15. This is the value you are getting the same. And other thing, the last not but not least, 6x is equal to 318. 6x is equal to 318. Here 6 is multiplied left side. If you transpose to other side, multiplication becomes division, so that x value is 318 divided by 6. Here x is nothing but 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18. Now I will unmute my students who have doubts. I will help those students. Sorry, children. Just a minute. Now, one by one, who have doubt, one by one, raise your hand so that I can, yeah.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Ritvik.
Ritvik, please speak, madam.
Ma'am, here 318 by 6. You have did the division, right?
Yes, we are doing division.
Then the both sides of equation of the non-zero, how we can do multiplication?
Where?
Ma'am, the multiply the both of equation same non-zero.
Yes, to remove that 6 number, what we are doing on both sides, you are dividing with 6. X variable, x coefficient is how much, Nana? X coefficient is 6.
6, ma'am.
Into x. So to remove that, we need to find only x value. We don't want about 6. So 6 is left side, it is multiplied. If you transpose to other side, what happens? It come under?
Multiplication.
No, multiplication come under?
Division.
Division.
Transpose of multiplication
That
is
part
division.
also you have to write, children. That is the most important thing. In LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand
Right
side.
hand side.
LHS, if it is negative, means if you transpose to other side, it becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. This is only part you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
This is only.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Harini.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so like in the first one, like the first statement where we can add same quantity on both sides, you give an example x minus 6 equals to 12. So can you also like do x minus 6 into 6 and 12 into 6? Can you also do like that only, or only we should do plus?
Yeah, once again repeat the question part, please. Can you repeat so that I can help you?
Ma'am, you've given us an example x minus 6 equals to 12.
Okay.
So can you also do x minus 6 into 6 equals to 12 into 6?
In this case, what number you supposed to take? You have to take 36. You have to take 36. Whatever the extra part, beyond whatever the x is there, you need to find only value of x. Whatever extra is there, that part you supposed to opposite. Suppose minus 36 means additive inverse of minus 36. You are adding plus 36. That's all. You just, if you want x value here, if you want just x value here, this is nothing but this is the value. X is 36, 12 6 are 72 plus 36.
Ma'am, it will cannot take.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, listen, Harini. Why I'm teaching means, listen, Harini. Suppose your question is in fractions, 5/3. Without doing anything, simply what is the sign here? Negative sign. You just write as a value of 5/3 plus 1/3. Opposite. Negative inverse of this number only. You're supposed to do this procedure. Immediately, if you do that, you can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like in the method that Harini told, like normally it will be x minus 6 is equals to 12. So it will be 12 plus 6 is equals to, like x is equals to 12 plus 6 is equals to 18, right?
Yeah, where Harini said x minus 6 into 6 is 12 into 6. This is the
Yes,
value
ma'am.
I said. And what I said, instead of, you can do here also the same procedure, but the complete part 6 into 6, how much, Nana?
Ma'am, 36.
So you need to find the value just by adding 36 on the right side. That's all. This is the value of x.
Ma'am, but if we do in the method that you say, the question is x minus 6 is equals to 12, right? Ma'am, so when we bring 6 to
Simple logic, Nana. Simple logic. Minus means you have to add plus, Nana. Ante Nana. Minus unte plus chestamu. Plus unte minus chestamu. Why? Because it cancel అయిపోతుంది right side. Left side completely it is removed.
Excuse me,
We are
ma'am.
removing
Ma'am,
left side.
that's what I told, right? When the sign
Yeah,
is minus.
that is only even Raghav said. He observed correctly the thing. Why I gave the examples, then I relate the concept to your original transpose. But children never ask the questions why we need to transpose, what is happening like that. They will never ask. Some brilliant student definitely they will question the teacher. But it is happening. This is happening here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Srishti.
Ma'am, as minus 6 is equals to 12, so we are writing minus 6 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0, no, ma'am?
Where, Srishti?
Ma'am, minus 6 plus 6, you cut it, ma'am.
Yeah, this is only 0. So that
Ma'am, but
zero,
after that, why did we wrote 6?
I just added the same quantity on both the sides, because if I'm adding same quantities on both sides, there is no change. It is only still balanced.
Ma'am, so
listen, children. In your balance, there are 10 kgs on left side. There are other 10 kgs on right side. So this balance is balancing only. If I put more 5 kgs on both sides, is it balanced?
no, ma'am.
Right. If I put both sides 5 kgs again,
It's balanced.
Ma'am, it's
Yes,
balanced.
ma'am, it's balanced.
That is only the thing I'm doing.
Ma'am?
I can take the same quantity on the both sides. If I have balance, I can show directly, but I didn't have balance. I can go to the. You can observe the things, children. If you imagine in your brain, one balance is there. In the balance, left hand side 2 kgs are there. Right hand side more 2 kgs are there. So balance is balanced now. Why? Because both the sides are same weight. Suppose if I'm adding left and right, both sides more 2 kgs. Left side 2 kgs, right side 2 kgs. What happening? Still it is balanced
12.
only. It won't take unbalanced. It is balanced only. Suppose if I'm removing, so if I'm removing 1 kg from both sides, first initially what I put 2 kg.
It's imbalance.
No. If I remove from both the sides 1 kg.
Ma'am, then it's balanced.
Yeah, that is the thing I'm telling children. That is the thing I'm telling here. That is the thing only I'm telling. This is the thing you have to think, children. At least some part you're supposed to think what is happening in balancing. You think when you're
Okay.
research on it, please. Don't learn straight questions like minus become plus, plus become minus. Of course, can we solve a simple equations now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the different methods. In some questions, we can use the cross multiplication also, children. What is the fifth method? We can use cross multiplication to solve the simple equations. In which cases we can use cross multiplication, I will teach you.
I'm in fractions, right? We use cross multiplication.
Yes, very good. In fractional forms, we can use cross multiplication so that you can get your value very easily. Let me take one example in cross multiplication. Suppose if I want to find 2x by 3 is equal to 6 by 7. If you want to find the value of x here, I can do the cross multiplication. First step, I can do the cross multiplication. What I can do here, 7 multiplied with 2x is equal to 3 multiplied with 6. 7 2s are how much, Nana? 14x.
14.
14x.
Now this is, we know that this one we can easily, x is multiplied with 14, so you can divide on both the sides. X is equal to 18 by 14. You can reduce this into simplify. So it becomes a 9 and 7. 9 by 7 also you can.
7.
Yeah. You can take, this is the way you can solve the equation.
Ma'am, but our answer is coming 6 by 7. No?
No, actually the value is supposed to be x equals to 9 by 7. So yeah.
X value is 9 by 7.
Yeah.
X value
Not
is
the
9 by
answer.
7. Yeah, whenever you are seeing fractional form is there in your question, go with cross multiplication. My sincere, there is a very easiest way you can find, very fast you can find your answer. Comparatively other students, you can find more faster.
Mama, have a doubt. Or else you'll have to take 3 on the right side and then multiply it, then take 2 and divide.
Yes, that's all. That is the thing we are doing, the cross multiplication.
Ma'am, then how can it be 9 by 7 by 3 is equals to 6 by 7?
See, one more question we will go with. Suppose my question is minus 2y divided by 7 is equal to sum 5 by 11. This is my question. I want to find only y value. Solve the equation means you need to find the value of variable y. So in this case, you can do cross multiplication, children, very easy. Or wise fellow, what happens? Wise fellow is doing very more simple way. Wise fellow will do, ma'am, this is multiplied 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is multiplied. If I am going to send other side, it should become common.
I mean, it should become plus 2 by 7.
It should come under division so that I can use my division of fractions part also. So anyway, I know very well about my fraction division. It becomes multiplication. And reciprocal of another fraction is 7
minus 7 by 2.
7 by minus 2, ma'am, 35 by 9. Ma'am, it will be minus 35 by 22.
This is the way we can do, children. We will go with step by step. Don't running race. We'll go step by step. The questions I'm giving. Don't write now. Now your task.
Ma'am, you can tell again the cross multiplication because I was not there in the question, sir.
Solve the, yes, who is this? Who is this?
Ma'am, Ritvik, ma'am, I was not there since.
Okay,
3
cross
minutes because
multiplication method you want?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cross multiplication method, children. Suppose in fractional form. Suppose my question is x by 4 is equal to some minus 15 by 25 or else 24. How I supposed to do this? By doing cross multiplication,
Cross
it's very
multiply.
easy, children. 24 into x,
X is equals
24
to
into x minus 15 into 4. I want only x value. I want only x value. I should remove this 24 so that it becomes a division. So this you have to go with 15, 4, 4 ones are 4. How many times?
Ma'am, it is
ma'am
minus
for
60.
6 ma'am for 6
4 6 are 24. Again it will go with minus 15 and 6 will go with 3.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, with 3, ma'am, so it will be minus 5 and 2.
Yeah, this is the value. You can take different steps to solve.
Ma'am, how we got C?
Have you got?
Ma'am, how we got a 5, ma'am?
Where, Nana? Where? Here?
Ma'am, minus, yes, ma'am, minus,
Here?
yes, ma'am.
Here the 3 table I am cutting, Nana. Both the numbers I am cutting with 3 table.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Mahavir.
ma'am, here, ma'am, so, ma'am, before, before, 20, ma'am, before doing 24 by 24 and minus 15 multiplied by 4 by 24,
Okay.
ma'am, if I multiply minus 15 multiplied by 4,
Minus,
ma'am, so it will be minus 60, right?
minus 15 multiplied. Let me give one more question. Please give the question. What's
Ma'am,
the
he's telling that if you do the cross multiplication method, then you have to do 1x into 24 equals to minus 15 into 4. So it will be 24x equals to minus 60. So x equals to 60 by 24, you cut it down and become minus 5 by 2.
minus?
Minus 5 by 2.
The same question.
Yes, ma'am, the same question.
No,
But then he's
by
asking
doing
the
cross
cross.
multiplication, what happens, children? This is nothing but 24x is equal to minus 15 into 4. 15 fours are how much, Nana? 60. So x
Ma'am,
value you
60.
need to find x value extra multiplied here 24. So you have to divide in the other side x you are getting. You have to reduce this. You have to reduce this. Which table it is? A 12 table. 12 twos are 12 fives are. So minus 5 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. There are many methods, children. Try to understand or try to see the part, and you can do in any method. Now, my questions for you, children. Everyone should answer in the chat box privately. This is like a
Okay,
small
ma'am.
test for your memory. X plus 45 is 31. Second bit, 5x minus 17 is 8. Third bit,
Ma'am, what is the value of x?
a is
We need
equal.
to find.
A
We
is
should only find that.
You have to find the values of x, my dear. A minus 24 is minus 60.
Ma'am, can I start? Ma'am, can I start sending?
Yes, start doing your sums. Next, fourth one is a by 4 is equal to, its mixed fraction is given here. 4 1 by 2. First, in this case, you have to convert and give the answer, children. In fifth bit, p by 9 equal to minus 12. In sixth bit, it is given as x by minus 4 is nothing but 3 by 5. In seventh bit, it is given as 8x minus a. If anyone are facing difficulty in doing the sums, please put in the chat box IDK. For such a students, I will take note the class. Put IDK. You can use any method, children, by transpose method or elimination method, whatever the method you can use. Put IDK so that I can help my children. Who don't know that part, please put IDK. I want answers from the students who are there. There are 15 students today. Shiva, Pranav, Srishti, Vallabha. Vallabha. Vallabha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vallabha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You know how to solve simple equations?
Ma'am, I still don't understand.
Please let me know, Vallabha, so that I can help you.
Ma'am, I still don't understand.
Okay. Vallabha, listen carefully the questions on the screen. Remaining students, please work on it. Who don't know how to solve, please listen once again. I'm helping for the students who are not getting it. Vallabha, if
Ma'am, I already sent you the answer.
yes, children who are not only Vallabha, who are not getting, please listen once again. X plus 45, you need to find the value of x. You need to find the variable value here. You don't know the value of variable, but you know if you add 45 to that, you are getting 31. So, but you are adding here 45. If you transpose to other side, what it happens? It becomes
Minus.
minus. So that it becomes minus. It becomes minus. So, Vallabha, please tell now. 31.
Ma'am,
Mi- thir-
minus 45.
minus
45.
45. One is negative, one is positive, Vallabha. What you should do?
Negative.
Sorry, one
Ma'am,
is
we need to
negative, one is positive. What you should do?
add them.
Oi, Steve.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we need to do
Sixty.
subtraction. The
Wait,
answer
50.
will be minus
I
14.
want answer from Vallabha. Please, Vallabha, respond.
Yes, ma'am.
If your two unlike integers are there, what you should do?
Minus.
Whether you add or subtract.
We should do
Subtract.
Very good. You have to subtract always. You have to
Okay.
subtract. 45 minus 31. What is 45 minus 31, children?
Minus 14.
Ma'am, can you go?
But greater number having minus sign. Greater number
It's
having
14.
45 having negative sign. So it's minus 2.
Minus 14.
X is equal to minus 14. If you
Ma'am,
add
the
minus 14
the
to 45, you will get 31. I can see many students are there in the classroom. They are giving very fast answers. I'll appreciate all my children. Very good. Ahana, Cyrus, Harini, Shiva Pranav, Mahavir, Raghav,
Ma'am, I'm at sixth one.
Ritvik. Very good, very good. Come on, children. Come on, you start working on the sums, but I want to get answers from all my students. Where is Aditi? Which bit, ma'am? I did not. Wait a minute. Let me see that chart. Ma'am, I don't understand fourth one. Okay, okay, Cyrus, I'll help you. Don't worry. Fourth bit.
Ma'am, can I explain it to Cyrus?
Come on, Harini.
Cyrus, so here we can use the cross multiplication method by making
First
the
ask him
number.
to convert. First ask him to convert mixed number to improper.
Yes, ma'am. So Cyrus first convert the number on the right side into a improper fraction.
What is mixed number for improper fraction for 4 1 by 2, Cyrus? Cyrus. 4 1 by 2. Yeah, this is mixed number. Can you say for improper fraction for that number? Yes, I will see the chart box. So
9/2.
Yes, yes, Cyrus.
9/2. Yes. Okay. So next,
I
now you
understand.
can. Yeah. Now you can use the cross multiplication method. You remember it, right?
You got, Cyrus?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Right, no, right. That is appreciable thing. You can ask the teacher very freely, children. That is very important. No need of feeling shy here. We are all for learning only. No need to shy. No need to feel shame. Ma'am will think something. You have, this is welcome. You can, as a small kids, you need to get doubts. Then only it should be perfect.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, I didn't understand fifth one.
Fifth one simply, yes, what you should do to get p value, Shiva Pranav.
Ma'am, we need to multiply by 9 and 9 on each
Yeah,
side.
listen. Shiva Pranav, p is divided with 9. 9. P is divided with 9. If you transpose under division 9, what happens if you transpose to other side?
Ma'am, multiplication.
So minus 12 into 9, how much?
Ma'am, minus 12.
Multiplied with 9.
Ma'am,
12 tables very weak. Very weak.
Ma'am, minus 108.
Tables perfect రావాలి నాన్న. Who will learn tables perfectly, they can do calculation more fast. More and more fast. 12 nines are how much? Shiva Pranav.
Ma'am,
108.
Yes.
Ma'am, 108.
But
Ma'am,
sign is negative 108.
Ma'am, it's a negative, so it will be minus
Ma'am,
108.
P is equal.
Ritvik,
Ma'am, we can. Yes, ma'am.
which bit you have doubt?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I am telling P is equals to 12 minus 12 into 9.
Aditi, are you there, Aditi?
Ma'am, I sent it in the chat box. You can
Yes,
check
I'm
it.
checking. A very appreciable thing. I can appreciate few students given correct answers. Very good.
Ma'am, is mine correct?
Ma'am, did you check all my answers? Are they correct?
1 minute, ma. Satvika, please respond, Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika, any doubts here? Satvika, any doubt in any bit? I gave 7 questions.
Ma'am, I have doubt in division. Can you explain again in
Sure,
division?
Nana, sure. Very good. Which bit can you give the one example where you have doubt? In that case, I will help you.
No doubt. I just didn't understand how to do division.
Okay, right. See, which suppose can I take the question as 4 and 5 or 6 or 7 or anything, any number, which question I can take here?
Ma'am,
1 minute, Mahavir. Satvika.
Ma'am, anything is fine.
Okay. See, any number you have to take, not only these numbers, we will go with some other numbers too. X by minus 5 is equal to minus 15 by 92. This is your question. This is by seeing it seems which form it is appearing, Nana. Which form it is appearing? Fraction form. First step is you can do cross multiplication, children, so that my children never do mistake. If you have such a bits, you can go with cross multiplication. Here cross multiplication 92 multiplied with x, then here minus 15 multiplied with minus 5. So 92x is equal to minus into minus become plus. 15 15s are
Ma'am, 75.
75. So I want only x value. I don't want about this 9. I should remove this 9. I should remove this 9 means what I should do, children? I have to divide with 9. So that x value is 75 by 9. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, Mama. Next. Jagruti.
Yes.
Some students are very quiet in the classroom. I supposed to call my students.
Ma'am?
Jagruti, Mahavir, just I'll come back, Mahavir. Jagruti, please respond. Jagruti?
Yes.
Any doubt here, Jagruti?
No.
Mahira, but the students are really so good. I just observed in the test too also. Very excellent students these are. But I didn't never listen the voices in the classroom. I can ask my students to speak sometime.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Mahira, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Mahira. Any doubt in this part? What today we go with the topic?
No, ma'am.
No, very good.
Ma'am?
Can I give one question? Mahira should answer.
I'm only Mahira.
Yeah,
Ma'am?
you can also, but in the chat box you're supposed to give. Everyone can do the sum.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, everyone. Mahira, please respond the question. Minus 5x by 7 is equal to, it's minus 15. In this case, what you're supposed to do, Mahira? Yes, I can see.
Can I say, ma'am? So,
1 minute.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute. The students, they never speak, ma. They never speak. We're supposed to encourage the student. I never see the students. They're pin drop silent. I can give chance to Mahira. Are you able to speak with me, Mahira? I'm waiting for you, Mahira. And Sahit Verma. Sahit.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahit, any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
Right, Sahit. What is the answer for the bit what I gave on the screen?
Ma'am?
What is the answer for this bit? Last.
Doing the back discussion.
Can you say it
Ma'am?
again?
Yes. What you supposed to do?
Ma'am, how?
Minus 5x by 7 is equal to minus 15. How you supposed to find the value of x here? Okay.
ma'am, can I help?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am, can I help? Can I?
1 minute. Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be minus 5x is equal to minus 15 into 7.
This is the question.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so yes, ma'am. Minus 5x is equal to ma'am, minus 5x is equal to 15 into minus 15 into 7, which is nothing but minus 105. So minus 5x is minus 5x is equal to minus 105. So x is equal to minus 105 by minus 5. It is nothing but positive 21.
Ma'am, even I have a doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, here minus 5 by 6, minus 5x, we can simplify, right? No, ma'am. Minus 15 is there. I have directly kept minus 3 into 7, which is positive integer, and 21 I got the answer.
Ma'am, you can even do like in the fractional form by writing minus
Yes, you can
15
do,
by 1.
but ultimate answer is same only. You will get it. 21.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. I'll send it in the chat box.
Then we can write 15 by 1.
Yes, everything. If you do any method, answer is very good. Mahavir and Shiva Pranav, I can.
Ma'am, I'll send it in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. I'm seeing, ma.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Children, even I have other class. So that's all for the day. If you please,
Yes, ma'am.
I will send the questions in the. Please take your question bank to the same simple equations and practice over. That's all for the day, children. And the Sunday test you have only chapters whatever that covered earlier.
Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3.
3 lessons.
Oh, sorry, lesson 3.
Yeah, 3 lessons. 3 lessons.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Because yes, please, ma. What's your doubt?
Ma'am, in the last question, ma'am, can you show that last question?
Yes,
Can you
yes,
scroll up?
Karthika.
Yeah. Ma'am, here 92 into x is, how did you get 9x?
92 into x is nothing but. So we supposed to write 92. Sorry, I forget about 2.
Ma'am, in this question, ma'am, we can also do like instead of writing 92x, we can directly multiply minus 5 with minus 15.
Okay.
And then it will be x is equals to 75 by 92.
The same answer only you will get. Very good.
Yes,
Karthika. Correct, Nana. You are correct, Karthika.
Ma'am, it's Mahavir, ma'am.
Okay. Right, children? Please, Jait, are you there? Jait, are you there in the classroom? Jait. Jait, are you there? Okay, children, will please practice.
Ma'am from Raghav.
Please practice the sums what you have in your worksheets. Please practice. If you have any doubts, please let me know, children. The other students are
Okay,
waiting in
ma'am.
the classroom. Okay, children.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
children.
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Raghav. Thank you. Bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Srushti. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Ma'am, I was having a doubt.
Bye, Pranav. Right. Srushti, what's your doubt, Nana?
Ma'am, in the question you gave in 7th one, I was having a doubt.
Which question before what you're
Ma'am,
doing?
you gave now sums that one.
Seventh question, minus x minus 4 is 8. 8x minus 4 is minus 30.
Okay.
8x
Ma'am, but now the which Raghav gave the answer that 75 divided by 105.
No,
So
no,
the
no.
answer,
We can reduce. We
Ma'am,
can reduce. We can reduce. Right.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
the
We can
answer should
reduce.
be 1.4, no, ma'am.
Yes. We
No,
can
we should
reduce.
not change it, ma'am. We can reduce and we can change into decimal, ma'am.
Yeah, decimal also. But the question is they're asking means you can do, children, or else don't do everything.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I.
Whatever if they're specifically mentioning, you're supposed to convert as a decimals, you can do. Or they're mentioning as a fraction form, you can do. Or they can asking about only whatever the simplest form, you can do. Shiva Pranav, any doubts, Nana? Pranav.
No, ma'am.
Right, Nana. Okay, children. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, Ritvik.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, Srishti.
Have a nice day.